Hello everybody, my name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. And today is going to be a real quick one on Clubhouse. So for those of you who have been living under a rock, there's been this new social media app that's been taking the world by storm, and it has really helped so many people to connect with hosts all over the world.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
I use it on a regular basis, and I know hosts who are part of Team Bruce Lee use it as well. And I feel that it is a fantastic tool. Now, how do you grow on there? How do you get more followers on there? And how could you potentially use it for your hospitality business? Well, number one, to use it for your hospitality business, here's what I would do. I would look to start up a semi-regular room, maybe weekly or bi-weekly or even a monthly room on Clubhouse where you focus on businesses in your local area. So you could reach out to local businesses and you could explain about Clubhouse and how you want to interview them on this platform. Now, the cool thing about this is that you're going to be, number one, showcasing your local area. So it's really important. I said this a lot, be your local brand ambassador. Focus and showcase a local business. And it could be a restaurant, things to do, just somebody you like in the local area, then you want to get an attention to. So that's number one. You will be able to bring their audience to you. So if they've got a big following on social media, they can say, listen, I'm going to be on Clubhouse. You can bring your social media following and say, I'm going to be on Clubhouse. And again, you'll just bring two audiences together. Their followers will follow you. Your followers will follow them. So it's a win-win-win. And again, you're going to do it on a platform that's new, exciting, and everybody can do it. And this is the cool thing, is that so many more people now are getting access to this platform. So many more people now can use it and loving it and engaging in it. There's no algorithms, there's no paying for ads or anything like that. It's really easy to use. And again, it's something that is so simple. So that's how you can use it as a host to maybe get bookings. Now, if you do it on a regular basis and you keep showing up, that's consistency. And when I've been on that app and when I've been on the platform, I find that there's two ways to doing it. Number one, you can sit in the audience. You can sit back and just listen. Number two, you can maybe join in the discussion, which is obviously good and is a great way to get in the awareness. And then number three is running your own room. So that really is how the power is by running your own room, being the host, being the go-to. And, I've been playing with this app now since December the 17th. I'm still to meet another British guy who's been using this app before me. But I've been playing with it and I really do enjoy it. I've got the systems and structures in place where I'm not on it all the time. For example, it's not on this, which is important. I've got it on my iPad when I do use it. And I also make sure that I'm using it in the right way. So the people in the rooms that I'm joining are hospitality related. The people that I'm conversing with and following and chatting with are hospitality related. And the partnerships that I've grown, Bruce Lee has grown substantially because of it, because of the partnerships and now the people that we're able to speak to. So I'm always thinking, how can hosts use it? How can we use it for bookings? And the best way, show up consistently, start up rooms, focus on your local area, focus on interviewing local businesses, and it's a great platform to build networks and just to build that community. You don't have to worry about video. You don't have to worry about all the things. It's literally just a case of sometimes just picking up your phone and go public, and that's it. So if you're not on Clubhouse, or if you're just new to Clubhouse and you're not following me at Mr. Mark Simpson, please go that. I've got a club called the Hospitality Community. Come and join the club. We've passed 700 members now, which is fantastic. And if you want to find out more, then keep sticking around for more tips and more advice. If you are new to this channel, we've got so many people nowadays discovering the podcast and all of the channels. Welcome. Please make sure you stick around. Make sure you subscribe to me here. And if you want to go find out more, go to booster.co.uk/podcast. You have got over 200 episodes to get caught up on. Loads of tactics, loads of tips and tools that will help you increase your bookings. So from me, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode. I've got something special lined up for the next couple of episodes. So please do stick around. My goal this year is to do a daily podcast every single day in 2021. So I look forward to speaking to you all very, very soon.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.